What's up? What's going on, everybody?
What up?
Welcome back to another fishing episode. I got Jim out here with me, and guess where we're at, guys? Can you guys guess? We're at Thorn Apples, so yeah. Me and Jim haven't been fishing in a couple months, guys. I was in a cast. I was gonna try to fish, but I figured, you know what? If I did that, I might hurt myself some more and not be able to fish for even longer. So I took a break. I'm back now. I'm healthy. I got my hand. I got Jim. Jim's got his gear. I got my gear. And we're gonna try to catch some fish, guys. So the game plan is do some casting, maybe catch some bass, maybe some pike. What do you think, Jim?
Seems like a good morning for it. Thought it was going to be cold, but probably be taking some layers off here soon.
Yeah, I got
good day. I mean, everything looks like it should be, so.
Yeah, guys, I mean, it's looking really nice. It's what, November 13th here in Michigan, and we're looking at possibly 60 degrees. So that doesn't usually happen for us, guys. So enough of the chit chat. We want to get fishing, guys, so stay tuned and let's catch some fish.
What the hell? It would have probably be good.
That's a muskie, ain't it?
Yeah, it is a muskie.
Yo!
A little spotted muskie, no shit.
I didn't even know he was on there.
So I had a nest, guys. I'm messing with my my bird's nest, and Jim's like, "Is that a fish?" And sure enough,
Swear to God, you get a hook in me, dude. I love you, but no promises. He got that all tangled.
he's pretty.
Oh yeah, he's real good looking. I have to get the shit out of his face. Don't do it right now. You know what? Normally I wouldn't do this, but it's a muskie. I want you to get good and healthy out the boat. Little itty bitty spotted muskie. That ain't too bad. Definitely worth it to come out today.
Heck yeah.
Second one I've ever caught. I mean, he's only a foot long, but shit. You don't see him every day.
Good looking fish. Heck yeah, dude.
Heck yeah.
That's sweet.
Hurry up and get him out of
Yeah,
the boat.
get a release on him. Gone.
Heck yeah. Well, that's a good sign. Muskie are biting, so hopefully we can get one or two more of them in the boat before the day's over.
Heck yeah, guys. That's awesome. I'm going to cut this thing out so I can get back to fishing because it looks like the bite window might be turning on. So
Yeah.
let's get to it.
saltwater smallmouth.
White was the move. Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Not what I thought it was.
Hey, look. That. Definitely eating.
That's a mini football, Jim. Look at him.
Yeah, you got a belly on him.
We're out here catching footballs, guys. Well, this is our first one, so. That's awesome. I caught a smallie. Jim catches a muskie. I mean, what the heck is going on, guys?
Yeah, it's gonna be one of them days. By the looks of it.
Heck yeah, guys. That's awesome.
We're in like a little cove right here. I almost wonder if the little streams up there won't be holding a bunch.
Heck yeah, guys. And she was fired up. She was ready to get back. That water is ice cold. And I'm pumped, guys. Oh my gosh. My first fish in 2 months. And it's a smallie. Jim.
Bad. Could be doing a hell of a lot worse.
Yeah. We could be struggling right now. We could be. Oh, yes.
That was my first ever spotted muskie.
Really?
Yeah, the other one I caught was just
Dude.
muskie.
See, that's what I'm saying, guys.
Oh, PB.
You can't catch fish, or you can't expect stuff to happen if you don't try stuff. Talking stuff, why don't I try white? Well, I tried white, and I got blew up on. Smalley said, yes, please. Honestly, it felt weird when I got this. Jim?
Yeah.
That was a 40. That was definitely a 40.
I didn't see it very good, honestly.
Oh my god, that thing was like this big around. That would have been my PB pike all day. Oh shit.
I'll just go ahead and put that away. So I can figure that out somewhere else. Net?
Yep.
Alright. Good. Keep him down. Keep his head down. Which side you come on? This side. Yep. Right the net. Oh man, my bad, Rob. Pull him right to the net. There we go.
That might be the PB. Holy crap! Are you kidding me right now?
Well, it's a good trade-off. You got your reel in here?
Yeah, it's in the big pocket on the end.
Right. Hell yeah, Rob.
Heck yeah, guys. So me and Jimmy, we went upstream, actually downstream. I missed, I want to call it a 40-inch pike, but Jimmy didn't see it. We got it almost back to the boat. If we would have had a little bit more time, we would have had it netted. Well, we missed him. We decided to go down the stream, and I decided to catch a football smallie. So we're gonna get the weight on him. I'm pretty sure this is my PB, guys.
It'll be close. He's got a heck of a gut on him.
Yep, that's my PB.
Technically 2 PBs today.
4-3.
Oh wow, that's a good river smallmouth.
to say. Down here, got it angled so you guys can see.
Got her nose touching. Back here, just under 21.
Heck yeah, guys. Out here fishing. It's cold. Everybody's out hunting. And what are me and Jimmy doing? We're out here fishing.
Catching PBs.
No. Heck yeah, guys. We're going to get a release on them. Oh, she's clamped on my thumb.
Ready to go.
Nice. Yeah.
Nice catch, Rob.
Man, I missed a big pike. We went upstream, almost got the boat trapped downstream. Would have had to Uber, who knows what, guys. Came back upstream and massive football. New PB Smallie, 4 pounds. Are you kidding me right now? Let's get back to fishing, guys.
Yeah, cold water smallmouth seems to be the deal today. Another, right? Yeah, 2.5.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Football. Heck yeah, dude.
Got the skill.
Yeah, it's right here. Oh. Just make sure we don't hit that dock.
I'm curious, man.
Yeah, guys, Jim threw
they
in.
really do just bite right down on you.
Yeah.
Yeah. 2-2.
Heck yeah.
Not bad.
Mini footballs, guys. We're out here catching mini footballs, watching squirrels fall out of trees, and having fun. Catching PBs.
Heck yeah.
Bam.
Release. There she goes. Takes them a minute being cold.
Alright, guys. Well, this is the pike I caught.
Yeah, she's a good one. Oh, my bad. I didn't even see her coat. Oh, 25, 30, somewhere right in there. Good fish.
Heck yeah, guys.
GoPro died right when Rob hooked up, so go ahead and release it, or?
Yep.
Alright. She was ready.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to downfall.
Like that.
Heck yeah, guys. Largie. New species today, Jim. Yep. 4 species, guys. Heck yeah.